Hello guys, welcome to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to use Discord for the Stackathon event. So first thing you'll do is open your mail and you'll see a Discord link that will be sent to you from the Stackathon team. So you'll click on this and this Discord page will open. This is a server for the Stackathon. So here is where the Stackathon event will take place. In the right column, it will be shown in which team you are, and this is the main page, and in the left side you will have different options here. So we'll see it one by one. So first here is text channel. So in this you can text your comments and so on. So in general section everybody can comment it here. So let's say hello. So this message will go to everybody. It's almost like a WhatsApp group. So we have another options called updates, doubts, slot bookings. You will be given a specific slots for you and the timings for it. So next we have team chat option. So if you are in team 4, you can click on team 4 and you can chat only with your team. So likewise we have different options. The next is team voice. So let's say if you are in team 5, you can click on this and you can share your screen or send a video, turn on your camera, and do so many other stuff together as a team. And next, during the contest, you will see a mentor option, and you could do the same thing with them as well. You can click on the mentor and you can share your screen with your team and turn on the camera and talk with them and get ideas from them to proceed with your product. So that's it about Discord. See you in the next video.